I am happy to be here on the occasion of LMW opening its Ambattur office and also taking up an excellent roadshow at Ambattur. The reason we have come to Ambattur is Ambattur has got 2,000 small and medium scale enterprises, and Ambattur Industrial Association, where our office is located, has got more than 700 members in their association. So all of them are consuming the CNC machine tools and their suppliers for auto ancillaries in a big way. That being the case, this is an important area for us to have our office and also the tech center. We are in the process of also opening a tech center and service from the tech center, not only giving the solutions for our customers who are first-time buyers of the machines, and also give them the complete knowledge of skill development also. Here in Ambattur, we are having this office because it is centrally located. It is connected to many of the industrial estates, which is not too far from here. From here to either Gumbripundi or whether Sriperumbudur or Tirupudivakam or all these locations, it is not more than 30-40 minutes. So this is also having a lot of residences where they are able to get good manpower and the industries are really thriving. That way, we are very keen to support the industries here. We have more than 25 sales and service people in this locality to service and support the machines. After sales service is very important. That's why we are going to have some spares in addition to the tech center. This is our plan to support our team here, and we are very, very confident that this move will help us to enhance our business in a big way by supporting the team, sitting close to them.